Here is how to create an artifact inside Claude AI to generate, edit, and manage standalone content such as documents, code, websites, diagrams, or interactive tools in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to create reusable projects inside Claude instead of getting a standard chat response. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. You'll see the main chat screen with the message box at the bottom of the navigation options in the sidebar. Once you're inside, click the message field and enter a request for a standalone project. For example, type something like create a study guide, build a landing page, or generate a project planner. Next, make your request more specific before sending it. Include details about the format, content, or features you want. You'll see your full prompt in the message box ready to submit. Then press enter or tap the send button. Claude will begin generating your content. After that, watch for a dedicated artifact panel to appear beside the chat instead of a normal text-only response. This panel is where your project will be displayed. Now review the generated artifact. Depending on your request, you may see a document, a website preview, a code project, a diagram, or another interactive workspace. Once the artifact appears, ask Claude to make changes by typing additional instructions in the chat. You'll see updated versions appear directly inside the artifact window. Next, use the available artifact controls. Look for options to copy content, view code, switch versions, or download the artifact if that option is available for your project type. After that, open the artifact section from the Claude sidebar. You'll see saved artifacts, previous projects, and additional examples depending on your account features. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Settings, select Capabilities, and check whether Artifacts is enabled. Turn it on if needed, start a new chat, and request a larger project such as a website, document, or diagram. If Claude still responds normally, try the desktop web version or another browser. If Claude replies with regular text only, make your request more detailed because short prompts may not trigger artifact creation. Once everything is set, you will see a dedicated artifact workspace beside the Claude chat containing a document, app, website, code project, diagram, or other standalone content that can be edited, reused, shared, or downloaded. Following these simple steps makes creating an artifact in Claude AI quick and easy.